Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to use the Kanban view in Monday.com. So once you log into Monday.com, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to use the Kanban view, what we need to do is head over to Workspaces at the top left hand corner here. Select the board that you'd like to use Kanban view for. So as our example today, I'm going to use our CRM sales pipeline because it's a really applicable tool, the Kanban view, for the sales pipeline. So I press sales pipeline. As you can see here, it is loading up and now we have our sales pipeline where we are tracking our sales inside Monday.com system. In order to use the Kanban view, it is clearly stated up here. However, if you can't find it up here, just press add view and then you should be able to find it in the other views section. Press that and then it will automatically save here, as you can see, like this one has. And this is how to use the Kanban view. You can see the Kanban view is now available and we've got the different stages. And in order to drag an item or a record across, all we need to do is just pick it up or click on it and then drag it to the different stages. It's much easier to deal with things like a sales pipeline using the Kanban view. Really useful tool, really visual way of dealing with your pipeline. And that is how to use the Kanban view in Monday.com. I hope this video has clearly explained how to use the Kanban view in Monday.com. If you have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.